Hi guys, this is your girl Tash, just passing through with a quick video tutorial on how to retwist and style dreadlocks. So to all my Rastafarians, whether you're Bubba Dread or you're just doing it for the style, big up on yourself, all the same. So before I start the hair, I just want to say that if you're a beginner, you need to think about the direction in which you want to style your dreadlocks before starting your twist, so that when you're ready to style the dreadlocks, your twist won't start to untwist, because that would be a shame. I mean, after all the hard work, you have to be retwisting some of the dreadlocks as you're styling them. You know, that's a waste of time. So now that I am ready to do the hair, I want to make sure that the hair is damped or wet, because if the hair is dry, my twist won't fall into place properly. I want the hair to be a little bit wet, so that when I put in the wax and I twist, the hair will then dry with a beautiful, shiny and neat look, and it will also stay firmer into place. Before I start my twist, I am going to section the hair into two, because if you're a beginner, you need to know the importance of having the right composition, the right form, and the right balance, so that the hairstyle won't look too leany and unbalanced on both sides of the head. So the product I am using today is beeswax, because I feel like it's more gummier and less oilier than the other wax that I've tried. I've seen a lot of people use gel, which is nice, but a lot of men, like my client here, does not like gel in his hair for some reason. So I'm going to start my twist on this section going clockwise, because I want to style my dreadlocks going clockwise up into the center area of the head. So retwisting is very simple. I am basically just twisting the locks round in one direction until I feel it's tight enough on the scalp. I also tend to rub the locks into the palm of my hands with some wax, just to make them look more smooth and moist. I am going to continue this process all the way up until I get to the top of the head. So I want to twist 2 locks together because I think that it holds better and it looks nicer. It doesn't matter if the hair is long or short. Just be creative and do what you feel like. Now that I have completed this off, it's looking great already. So I am going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side of the head. Now that I have completed everything, it's looking neat and fresh. So this side that I did first is now dry. Usually I use a blow dryer to dry the hair, but because we're outside, it dried naturally, which is always better for the hair anyways. So what I am doing here is just French plaiting the locks into my desired style, and you can be as creative as you want with this process. Just go ahead and be creative. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Also, please follow me on Instagram and Facebook as Speechless Hairstyles to see some more amazing hairstyles. Thank you for watching and see you next time.